Hi friends, today we are at Guelph Driving Test Center and we are going to go to G test route today, and they have got two separate routes. We are going to go to both the route one by one. So now we are going to go to route number 2. It's almost similar like route number 1, but the way they are going to the highways is different. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand. And now we are going to route number 2. We'll take a right here and take a right from the test center. Right now you're looking some potholes here. Usually they fix it maybe because of this winter just finished, and that's why these potholes are there. But usually they fix very quickly, and just make sure that don't jump from the potholes. Go slowly from here. We'll take a left outside on Silvercreek Pkwy. Look both side, any car coming? Yes, one car is coming from the left side. I'm going to wait for that car. Okay. Make sure see everywhere. Yep, one more car is coming. I want to wait for that car too. Yep, everything is clear now. I can take left on Silvercreek Parkway, then I will take a right on the Woodlawn. Take a right here, light is green, I can go. No, light turned to red now. So I have to stop here. Don't jump red light. First stop completely. See anyone coming there? Yep, they are still standing, they are waiting. I can go here. Yep, and go straight here. In the route number 1, they take left from a highway from this traffic light, and the route number 2 we are going straight here. Yeah, when everything is clear, we will move. Okay, then examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so. Change lane to left. So I'm looking for the safety, and one car is right at my blind spot. I want to change it. Check mirror, signal, blind spot, and I change it to left lane. I check the MSB, and then for the first street, that's called Royal Road, I will take a left from there. Take a left from this street. Go to left lane here. Yep, and turn left. And speed limit is 50 on this road. Don't exceed speed limit. And this railway tracks, make sure you check both sides. Just look around. Yeah. And if you when you're going driving straight, don't keep on looking straight, just keep on looking around. All these driveways, make sure you check it. These are the hazards, okay? Anything can come from there. These are the roads. Make sure you check them. Check from this again the railway track, check both sides, and the next traffic light we will take left. That's the Speedvale Avenue. Okay, light turn to right, no problem. We will go and stand there. Light is red, so stop here. When you're standing at the red light, don't keep on looking at the light. Just look around. Anyone coming? When the light turn to green, anyone can come to your way or not. So keep on looking everywhere. keep sometimes check the back mirror, sometimes like check around everywhere. Yeah, so their light turned to yellow. Hopefully our light is going to turn green soon. Yeah, it's green already. And we take a left, go to the first lane. Yeah. Yep. And then again check MSB, change lane to right. And look here too. We'll take a right onto the highway now. This highway. Highway 6, Hanlon Road. We're going to highways. On highway speed limit is 70. It's 60 here, but it will be 70 on highway. So you have to go very smoothly, nicely here. And then highway speed is 70. Go up to 70, speed up, and then merge into the highway. Yeah, don't exceed 70, and don't change in at slow speed also. When it's safe to do so, change it to left. When it's safe to do so, change back to right. Then examiner will tell you to take right on the Willow Road. Yeah, so light is red here, and but you have the yield sign, so you can go slowly here and look anyone coming in your way or not. If someone is coming, you have to stop. If no one is coming, then that's okay. You can go without them. No one is coming in our way, and now we have to change it to left, and then we come here. Then we'll take a right from the Marksam Road. And it's 40 here. In this area, speed limit is 40. Make sure don't go more than 40. 40 meaning is 39, not 41. Yeah, see these small streets? Make sure that you look around everywhere, all these streets. And don't exceed speed limit. 40 meaning is 40. 39. See, there's so many people walking around here. Just make sure keep an eye that nobody come in front of you. Yeah. Don't scare people. Nobody should get scared from your driving. Always remember, even if the pedestrian is wrong, you have to like take care of them. We'll take a right here, right from the Speedvale Avenue, and stop here. Anyone coming? No one. We can take a right here. Yeah, and we are going again to the Highway 6, Hanlon Parkway, and it's 60 here. And then the same highway which we went earlier, same thing, but we're going 2 times here now. Yeah, take a right here. Light is red, green, doesn't matter here because we are entering to the highway. We have a separate lane here, and you turn right here, and now go very smoothly here. When your car is straight, then speed up, go to 70, and then merge. Don't merge at slow speed. Whenever you feel safe, change it to left. Okay. We'll take a left on the next street, which is the Willow Road, and just see it's a dedicated left turn signal there. See, we can go left only when this turn is left turn signal is green. It's a red, we cannot go. It's a dedicated left turn signal. Yeah, I mean, you're standing here, look around everywhere. Don't keep on looking at the light. Look everywhere on the side. Any pedestrian coming, any car coming, any truck coming. You have to check everything. Yeah, so light is green, we can take a left here. Yeah, we can take left. After taking left, we are supposed to be going to the right lane, but we are not going here. For example, we tell you to take left from the first traffic light. We will take a left from the Silvercreek Pkwy. Yep, and we can go left here. Left here, and there's only one lane and speed limit is 50, so you should maintain speed limit 50 here. And when you're passing by, check all these driveways, all the hazards on the road. Or even if the light is green, just make sure you have a look around both sides. Don't exceed limit all these entrances. Just have a look around there. You never know when somebody can come. Even if the light is green, still have a both side look. Keep an eye on somebody taking left there. No, they change their mind. See, so many people, they keep on changing their mind on the road. And speed limit is 60 here. Then you can go up to 60, don't go too slow. And this railway track here, make sure you check before entering to the railway track. Check both sides, move your neck everywhere. Speed limit is 60 here. Again, the railway track is coming. Check both sides on the railway track. Just look around. Yeah, good. And then in the route number 1, we went straight from this traffic light. Now we are going to go right from this traffic light. This Woodlawn Avenue, we will take a right here. Examiner may take you straight also, like route number 1. That's like a test center. But red light, first stop here. And wait for these cars to go. Yeah, stopping at the red light is must. Even if there's a wall on the other side, make sure you stop at the red light. Yeah, everything is clear. I'll take a right here. And then again, examiner tells you when it's safe to do so, change into left. Change into left. And next traffic light, we'll take left. Traffic light is called arrow road. Take left here, and at second entrance we are again going back left to the test center. Make sure you go slowly, nicely here. because there's so many cars on the weekdays, so I don't like scare anyone with your driving. And then exam will tell you to park somewhere here, and then park here. And you may get to the next one also. That's fine. And park. And this is conclude our route number 2. Hopefully this is going to help you to pass your test. Best of luck for your test. Okay, hope this video is going to help you to pass your driving test. And if you need any my help, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. And for exciting video like this, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.